to this channel. If you're new here, kindly click on the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel, like, and also share the video with your friends who might be in need of it. Also click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post new videos. Alright, I do not plan doing a voiceover because I just want you to watch through and do what I do in the video because it's quite straightforward. But then I realized that the video didn't record from the beginning of the tutorial, so I'm just going to explain what I did before what you are seeing here in video. So I brought out my carton, any carton at all, and then I got a round shape, cover of a plate that has a round shape because I want a round shape, right? So I placed the cover of a plate on the carton and then I cut out the shape in two places, just as you're seeing in the video, right? And then the stick I'm using is a cane. If you're in Nigeria, it's called mankere. What they use in schools, a cane for, So I got it and then I cut it. The measurement of the cane is about 9 to 10 inches, right? So that is what I have just done, and so I'll just stop talking here and let you follow what I am doing in the video. It's quite straightforward and easy, In fact, the skeleton is ready. You don't have to buy from the market, Just get the cover of a plate, put it on your carton, cut out your preferred shape, apply gum. You can use shoemaker gum. I used shoemaker gum. You can use UHU gum. You can also use your glue gum too. Just apply gum, stick together, put your stick in between, and make sure it is properly. Make sure you stick properly all together, and your skeleton is ready. You are good to go with the embellishing. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Bye. I'll see you in the next one.